to play media sound from selected apps on a separate audio device in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra? First, you have to enable separate app sound, select the apps and an audio device. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap sound and vibration, scroll down the screen, tap separate app sound. Next, tap the gray on off switch next to turn on now to enable separate app sound. A pop-up appears to ask you to select an app and an audio device in order for this feature to work. Tap select to continue. Now select the apps you like to play on a different audio device. As the example, we will select Spotify. As a note, if the app you'd like to select is not listed here, tap the plus icon and then select the desired app. Next, tap the back button to go back to the previous screen. Now select the audio device you want to use for the selected apps. As the example, we will select Bluetooth device. When you select this option, only Bluetooth devices that are connected to your phone will be shown here. Now open Spotify app. And then play a song. You can hear that the song is played on the selected Bluetooth device. Next, open another app that doesn't add to the separate app sound. As the example, we will open Duolingo app. Use the app.
Tu es au courant de tout. Tu es au courant de tout.
You can hear that the media sound from this app is played on your phone speaker.
Tu es au courant de tout. Tu es au courant de tout. Tu es au courant de tout.
Given to the function, you can use the separate app sound feature if you like to be able to play media sound into different apps with a different audio device at the same time without sound disruption. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.